Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Bonk video update today. Now, Bonk still continues on with its very good build of a right shoulder. So I'm just going to extend the neckline a little bit to the upside, and we're getting rejection. We're still not finding that power to break above. So last time you came up and you try to break above it, but you came down, got rejected, came a little bit lower. But hopefully we might start to get back up again, because normally when things try to break and break and break and break, they eventually break at the end of it. So we might see a break to the upside and all of a sudden just even go to the upside. One thing that can be concluded now is we will have a squeeze. We will have the prices coming together a little bit more tighter until we can actually say 27th of May. So we have 7 days of probably another boredom or another sideways movement, and within 7 days we should see what happens next, because you're slowly coming up, you're finding support, you're finding resistance, you're coming out down again, coming down to support, coming up to resistance, and coming down to support. So by 25 to 27 we may see probably this push, or finally that push to the upside, right? So whatever the direction, you have to be a little bit careful. If it comes down, then you're going to be going even probably lower to 2153. That's a different topic if it doesn't make a fake out and go back to the upside, of course. So I'm not going to stretch the video too much. That's all for this conversation. We already know the inverse head and shoulder is the biggest thing right now that we need to see playing out. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.